In this video, I'll be going over how to find unit price. In order to find unit price, you're taking the total price divided by the quantity to get to the unit price. Below are two examples and we'll be going over each one. For the first example, we have 4 books for $34.60. How much is per book? Since the total price for 4 books is $34.60, we want to divide this by 4 because there's 4 books. Taking 34.6 divided by 4, it equals $8.65. So that would be per book. For the second example, we have 8 pounds of pork chops, and their cost is $36.75. How much is per pound? Since we know there's 8 pounds, so we're going to take the total cost, which is $36.75, and we want to divide that by 8. And inputting that in the calculator, we would get $4.59. So that's $4.59 per pound of pork chop. So these are two examples of how you would find unit price, taking the total price divided by the quantity that there are in order to get to per unit price. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.